Our choice for your ultimate wedding is Ultimate Sound DJs. They've been established since 1985 and they've performed for over thousands of people in the greater New York area. They stand on the cutting edge of entertainment technology. Ultimate Sound DJs are committed to being one step in front of their competition. They're a family-style company. They have personable and mature masters of ceremonies, along with their own unique styles and talents, all trained within Ultimate Sound. The DJs all come from diverse cultural backgrounds. Their state-of-the-art concert lighting is extraordinary and is sure to impress your guests. And their dance teams are second to none, and they're trained in the latest dances, as well as all the traditional waltzes, foxtrots, and much more. They know how to keep the spotlight and the focus on the most important person, you. You can create the perfect nightclub atmosphere with their lounge seating. They have full-time party coordinators. They can also provide live performers. When our TV show, A Taste of New York, went looking for the ultimate sound for our Ultimate Wedding segment, we chose Ultimate Sound DJs. Visit them online for more info at ultimatesounddjs.com.